In this video, we will try to understand what is an exception. An exception is nothing but kind of error which is an unexpected problem that occurs during the program execution, and these exceptions are stops the program from functioning correctly. Exceptions can occur because of coding mistakes, system failures, or giving the invalid user inputs, and these exceptions must be corrected in order for the program to continue running properly. In C .NET, exceptions are categorized in two types. One is the compile time errors, and another is runtime errors. So compile time errors. So compile time errors that occurs before the program runs, and program cannot execute until these compile time errors are fixed. Example, if you take the syntax errors, those are the example of the compile time errors. Means once you compile time errors are occurred in the program, you cannot start the application. And next is the runtime errors. So runtime errors that occurs while the program is running and program starts. Once the program in the running position, it might be crashes all of a sudden and program behaves incorrectly due to these runtime errors. Generally, these runtime errors are occurred while we are doing the invalid operations or when we are dealing the undefined variables. So generally, these runtime errors are occurred while program is running. If you take the debugger position, once you are running the application, before running the application, whatever you are seeing the errors, we can say those errors are the compile time errors, like for example syntax errors, or calling the invalid methods, or giving the wrong namespaces, like that. But coming to the runtime errors, these runtime errors will occur while we are running the application, right? So these runtime errors occurred while we are giving the invalid user inputs, or we are giving the invalid operations, or preparing the invalid business logic in the program.